Hi, it's AI Megan here. Welcome back to Ask the Instructor, presented by Campus Mortgage. Today's question is, on an FHA refinance, the borrower is having the old manufactured home removed and is installing a new one. Furthermore, there is a significant trade-in credit on the new unit's invoice. Does that need to be documented? Here is what our mortgage instructor has to say. First, you will need to obtain a proof of ownership of the old home, which is usually a copy of the title or current registration. Second, you need an estimate of value of the old home from an independent, qualified party, as the new dealer cannot provide it. Moreover, a competing local dealer, appraiser, or any number of online companies may be able to provide an acceptable value for the old unit. Of course, the trade-in credit may not exceed the actual value when calculating your final costs for the new construction. This concludes our 1-minute video. If you like this video, please help us by clicking the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. And remember, at Campus Mortgage, we offer a variety of comprehensive mortgage training and certification programs. To learn how we can help jumpstart your mortgage career, simply download our course catalog at campusmortgage.org. Thank you, and make it a great day.